Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's make some steamed fish. So here I have two snapper fish. I'm just going to go ahead and clean this up. I remove the fins and that back part and the tail, and these normally come scale, but you want to go through and fine tune and get rid of any scale that they have missed and just clean it up nicely. And you want to rinse well with some sort of citrus, lemon, lime, oranges, or even some white distilled vinegar will do. You want to wash this nicely to cut away the rawness from the fish and just give it a good rinse. Then I'm going to go ahead and make a few incisions to allow some seasons to go through this fish. These are some medium sized to large fish, so kind of want the season to go in and through. So I just season lightly, some Maggi fish seasoning salt and black pepper, and I'm going to go ahead and season this liberally and set aside to marinate for about 5 to 10 minutes. Feel free to use any season of choice. I like to keep it nice and light and simple because it's seafood. We don't really want to overpower seafood, so just go light on the seasoning or just use your favorite all-purpose blend, season to your liking. I'm going to set this aside and allow it to marinate for a little bit. So in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and chop up my veggies. Of course, steamed fish is not steamed fish without okra to me. And I'll be adding some pumpkin to this. As right here, you could add your favorite veggies that you like. I'll be adding some carrot as well. You want to cut these into similar size so they will cook evenly or almost the same size. I'm going to go ahead and slice up some red onion, some bell peppers. Add your favorite veggies. Leave out what you don't like. And of course, I'm going to add some Irish potato for body. So in a heated pot, I went in with some butter and I'm going to saute my garlic a little bit for a couple of seconds. Then in with my onion and the rest of my veggies, and I'm going to saute this for a couple seconds as well, just to get them coated in that garlic butter niceness. We're going to do this for a couple of minutes. Then in with our Irish potatoes, and we're going to saute this for about a minute or so just to incorporate. Then we're going to spice this up with some pimento seeds, scotch bonnet pepper, and some thyme. Then we're going to add some more flavors with this pumpkin soup mix. I added the fish and the pumpkin. The pumpkin one is just to give a little bit more yellow color, and the fish one to flavor it up. Now we're going to go ahead and add some hot water, just enough because we're not making soup. We don't really want this too soupy, and we're going to season to our liking and cover and allow this to soften up for about 10 minutes before adding the fish. After 10 minutes, you want to go ahead, remove the veggies around, add the fish. And if you're using bami, at this point I like to add my bami and then cover and allow this to steam for about 8 minutes after I add it, and let it cook and the bami soften up, and there you have it. Your steamed fish is ready. Serve and enjoy. Thank you so very much for watching.